Okay, everybody, good morning, welcome. So, today I am going to do a little challenge with Leo. And basically, me see this challenge I go around for a while now. But for his age group, he's smart. But for his age group, I think he's a little bit older. But I'm still gonna try it with him. He want the watermelon so bad from like the last 3 days we buy it. And we decide say, okay, me go do it. So today me go cut the watermelon and me go put it into a plate for him, put it on the table. But me have to hide the camera because he never know what that's for, right? Or if face can look at me, me just wake up. So me go hide the camera, put the watermelon in front of him, make him sit down there until his soon come back. Probably make it stay for like 5 minutes or probably 10 minutes and see if he will touch it. You can challenge to see if he will touch it or not. And we recently see this one on the Mitchell family. If that's Tommy Chin Mitchell family, and then do it with, I think, I don't remember the Atlas. They do it with Atlas, and I tell you, say it was so funny. It was really funny. So we and vice over Lord Jesus, I tell you, we never sense of humor there, I tell you, man. So we got challenge him and see if he can touch the watermelon. If he not touch it, he's a good boy. If he touch it, you know, so yeah, him can't resist. But we're gonna see if he can resist from touching it, waiting for so long, cause he keep on a constantly say, Mom, what? Can I have the watermelon? Can I have the watermelon? So decide to never do it today and see you turn it off, alright? Okay.
The watermelon?
You ready to eat the watermelon?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna cut it.
Yeah.
I try to cut this watermelon. Big
Mom, let me show you how to make a basket with
Me say, Mama, the watermelon big like both of our head.
Whoa.
They probably.
Mom, this looks like a brain. No, this looks like a brain. No, this looks like a brain. But we forgot to get 2 watermelon. No, we have 1 watermelon. No, we can't to use it with. We need to use it with a watermelon juice, Mom.
Yes, we're gonna make watermelon juice. You like watermelon juice?
Yeah. The 2 brothers guys was making a videos and they have a challenge with watermelon juice.
Yeah, I'll challenge with watermelon.
Yeah.
I chop me if I use the way the watermelon big. Yeah? The chopper, the big chopper. Alright, so we have the watermelon here. So we have the watermelon here. And I'm going to put it up somewhere and hide the camera. Okay? Because, right here, come sit right here. You can't eat the watermelon yet, okay? Sit down. I'm gonna do something first. And when I come back, then we can eat the watermelon. I'm gonna take a picture of you eating the watermelon. Okay? You can
see that camera.
You see camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do afterwards. Yeah.
Where's it phone to put the camera on it?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do afterward when I come back, okay? I'm gonna quickly run to the washroom and then I'm gonna go to the bathroom and come back. You can look at the watermelon, but you can't eat it, okay? Okay? Yeah, just leave it. I'll be right back. Don't eat it. Are you gonna eat it?
No.
Don't eat it. eat it?
No.
Did you taste it? Did you put your mouth on it?
No.
Okay. You sure?
No.
I'm going to see if you did. So you didn't eat it?
No.
Alright, you can have your watermelon now. I'm going to watch back the video and see if you eat it.
Mom, the timer right there.
We're going to see if you actually eat the watermelon or taste it or anything like that. I will see how that turned out. I'll put it up. If it was a fail or not.